10 Things to Do in Sweden, where nature meets design. Sweden is a country of balance. Modern cities blend seamlessly with deep forests, quiet lakes, and Arctic wilderness, from Viking history to northern lights. Here are 10 unforgettable things to do in Sweden. 1. Explore Stockholm, the capital of islands. Stockholm is built across 14 islands, connected by bridges and water. Walk through Gamla Stan, the old town, with its narrow streets and colorful buildings. The city feels elegant, calm, and deeply connected to nature. 2. Visit the Vasa Museum. One of Sweden's most unique attractions is the Vasa Museum. Inside lies a fully preserved 17th century warship that sank on its first voyage. It's a powerful look into Sweden's naval history and craftsmanship. 3. Experience the northern lights in Swedish Lapland. In the far north, Swedish Lapland offers some of the best views of the Aurora Borealis. On cold, clear nights, the sky comes alive with green and purple waves of light. It's quiet, remote, and unforgettable. 4. Stay in the ice hotel in Jukkasjärvi. You can sleep inside a hotel made entirely of ice. The walls, beds, and sculptures are carved fresh each winter. It's cold, but magical, artistic, and completely unique. 5. Discover Swedish nature and national parks. Sweden is covered in forests, lakes, and mountains. Thanks to the right of public access, you can hike, camp, and explore freely. Places like Abisko National Park and Sarek feel untouched and wild. 6. Learn about Viking history. Sweden has deep Viking roots. Visit ancient runestones, burial sites, and open-air museums that tell the story of Norse explorers and warriors, its history written in stone and legend. 7. Enjoy Swedish Fika culture. Fika is more than coffee. It's a moment to slow down. Swedes take time to enjoy coffee, pastries, and conversation every day. It reflects the country's love for balance and simple joy. 8. Explore Gothenburg's coastal charm. Gothenburg offers a relaxed coastal vibe. Walk along the harbor, enjoy fresh seafood, or take a boat to nearby islands. It's friendly, creative, and less crowded than the capital. 9. Visit traditional Swedish villages. Step into rural Sweden and see red wooden houses, open fields, and quiet lakes. These villages show traditional Swedish life, peaceful, simple, and close to nature. 10. Feel the calm of Swedish life. Perhaps the most special thing about Sweden is the feeling. Life here moves slower, quieter, and more intentionally. Standing in nature or walking a silent street, you feel peace. Sweden isn't loud or flashy, it's thoughtful, beautiful, and deeply connected to nature. Whether you come for adventure, culture, or calm, Sweden stays with you long after you leave.